Hello, and welcome to the tutorial and video demonstration of the new Ontology add-on store. In this demo, we will be talking about the add-on store and the functionality that it provides. And we'll also be looking at a few examples and some sample code. So the add-on store basically allows the developer to craft a custom blockchain-based solution for applications that may not necessarily be blockchain-based or decentralized even. Depending on the kind of functionality and business logic that you're trying to implement, you can download modules in the form of SDKs. The modules could be the predefined signing server, the claim module, or any other modules. Or they could be customized modules that the developer generates using the add-on store. Apart from the add-on store, we will be working with Ontology Authenticator that serves as a medium of identity registration and verification. Now, for the sake of simplicity, I will be referring to Ontology Authenticator as ONT Auth. Now, ONT Auth basically works as the signing server that performs identity registration and verification. The identity protocol used here is ONT ID. Now, ONT ID is a digital identity that is assigned to each entity and all the parties that are a part of the network. The entities involved in the trust network here would be the user, who uses ONT Auth to register and log in to a sample application, the trust anchor that would help verify a claim made by this user. We will talk about trust anchors a little more in the later part of the demo, and the application itself. So let us begin with the first phase of the demo. The screen is divided into two parts so that the two tools that we're using can be followed simultaneously. What you can see here on the left side of the screen is the login page of the add-on store, while on the right side is a mobile device that is running ONT Auth. Okay, so first we start with creating a new ONT ID in ONT Auth. It is important to note that there can be multiple ONT ID accounts on a single device running ONT Auth. Here, I enter a desired name, say Eric YS, and then I enter the password, which is not visible for security purposes. The application takes some time to process the new account information, checking for redundancies and such. And my new ONT ID has been created successfully. And there it is. Next, I will use this account to scan the QR code displayed on the screen to initiate login. Scanning the QR code, it prompts me to enter the password. Oops. Yeah, since this ONT ID does not have an account on the add-on store, we're going to have to sign up first. Enter an account name, say Eric YAS, and then the system prompts me to authenticate using ONT Auth. So I will use the ONT ID that I just created to authenticate this new add-on store account. What this will do is link my ONT ID to the account on the add-on store. Enter the password, and we're in.